Boys and girls, I have 3 minutes for an analysis and resolving some fallacies I see in regards to the red button, blue button question that was circulating on X in the last 2 days. I find it a really interesting problem. It has to do with individual versus collective and some sort of conditional decision making and rational analysis. So quickly, the scenario is this: everybody in the world is forced to vote either color blue or red button, blue button. When the majority of people votes blue, then nothing happens. From the cost perspective, this is the best outcome. If, on the other hand, the majority of people vote red, then something very bad happens. Everybody who voted blue dies. Now, there is two angles on seeing who is at fault at these deaths, but it is agreed basically that there will be a lot of blue votes, for sure some children, some toddlers. So you have double-digit percentage of children dying. You have a system shock. The outcome of red winning is really bad. Some people initially didn't even see this, and then there are some arguments along the lines of, but if everybody votes red, then so and so. I mean, this is just a fallacy, of course. If everybody votes the same color, doesn't matter which color, then everything is fine. Everybody goes out unscathed. But the if everybody votes red argument is just saying if some false statement, then, and this is trivially true logically, but doesn't contribute. So this just out of the way. Now, you have, of course, people who are pathologically fear death at all the cost. They will vote red. You have people who have no hope that blue could ever win. Then it makes also rational sense to vote red. But the interesting thing is here that there's even a more harder rational argument for red, and its nature is interesting. So if you step into the voting booth, if you cast your vote, then all other people uncoordinated to you also cast the vote, right? So you step in, you cast your vote. At the point that you cast your vote, the fraction is already set. So you can vote red to save your life, and your blue vote has no marginal impact, right? Because all other votes are already fixed. So from this perspective, the rational argument is red. However, what we're really debating is, in reality, the situation that we have here in this question is that the blue people are making a bet, and you want to actually live in a world where everybody is like a blue person so that the bet makes sense. And that's interesting.